he had to get a little bath because he rolled in his food again. So now I'm drying him off. He's soaking wet. I've got it on low and warm, so the air should feel good, but he's clearly still not thrilled about it. But he doesn't shiver when it's on him. Okay, I've done maybe, oh, he's trying so hard to burrow away, the sweet little guy. So this is the orange collared one, but we have the collar off, obviously, because I'm cleaning him. Alright, he's not shivering quite so bad. Look, like 1 minute of warm, gentle air from the hairdryer, and he's like 85% dry. So it's hard for me to tell if he's shivering because he's still cold, or if he's shivering because he's nervous, but either way, he has to be completely dry because he is so young, and he's gonna get cold.
It's okay. Yeah, it's not so bad.
Okay. So he is, like, look how fluffy he is now. So I think he might be shivering because he's scared. So you can see he's still kind of matted back here because I can't really, like, I couldn't shove his whole face under the water to really scrub it, but I tried to get this area as much as I could because he's just completely matted. And did you see at the end there where I was pointing at his tummy and he was like, oh, this is okay, as long as I didn't point it at his face, but his face is the part that's still wet. So I'm going to go wrap him in a dry towel and snuggle him a little bit more. But yeah, this was us. I just gave him a little bath in the sink with, I didn't even use any soap, I just like rubbed at him with water to get some of the food out of his cheeks and his neck, and he still got some food in there. He's still so nervous. You did so good, buddy. You did so good. So I'm going to go snuggle him until he feels a little better. And then probably feed him more and get it covered. Get you covered in food again, huh? Look at this handsome man. He's about 4 weeks old. And I'm battling a little infection right now. But he's doing really good. Aren't you, Mr. Orange? Aren't you, buddy? Okay, I'm going to go get a dry towel.